Imagine waking up on New Year's Eve with the sinking feeling that you wasted your entire year. The goals that you said that you would crush, still untouched. The time that you thought that you had, gone. Some people can achieve more in 12 weeks than people can do all year. Will you be one of them, or would you allow 2024 to just slip away? Stay with me because I'm going to show you how to make the most out of your fall and finish this year off strong. We're going to cover 4 powerful strategies to help you reset for this fall season. Welcome back to Shama Saba. If you're new here, this channel is all about self-care, self-development, self-improvement. I talk about relationships, and as well as I talk about a little bit of hair content. I hope you guys do love it here, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. So, a very powerful way to reset for this fall is to start off with a morning routine. How you start your day does set the tone for the rest of your day. So, it's very important to have a routine to keep you aligned for the day that's going to be planned out ahead. So, having a morning routine allows you to get more things done, allows you to have more structure so that you don't have to go off on autopilot, a sense of more control over your day. So your routine, it doesn't have to be super detailed, super long, very impossible, all the stuff that we see on social media. It could be something so simple as just stretching when you get up in the morning time, meditating, or doing journal work, whatever is best for you to keep you back in your body and keep you feeling more aligned and control of yourself. You can also just incorporate simple things such as tidying your house up every morning, a simple routine, just simple things such as this, because the purpose is just to center yourself and allow you to be more calm, more confident, and more control of yourself and more control of your day. So by doing this, it allows you to have a very productive day, helping you to stay track on all your goals that you have for this fall. So try different things that will be best for you, but keep in mind, don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day, but just make sure that you are trying to be consistent. So setting goals is great, but without a plan, it is just a dream, which brings us to the second step, planning weekly and daily actions. So a key to success is to know exactly what it is that you're supposed to do for each day. So breaking your goals down, I have various different videos that talk about this topic, but breaking your goals down into small actionable steps allows you to get more and more closer to achieving the thing that you want to have. So don't get caught up on the end result. Enjoy the journey that it takes you to get to the place that you want to be. It'll be just a lifestyle that you have, and make sure that you don't add too much to your plate because you could feel the sensation of burnout. You feel like you've done too much, or you don't really get to points so you enjoy the progress of things that you're doing. But during this fall, for the time that we do have remaining, start off doing the goals that you do have. If it could be something so simple as starting a new workout regimen, or budgeting, saving money, or starting a different type of business, or creating content, whatever goal that you have for the remaining 12 weeks of this year that we do have, start creating small actionable steps that you can do to get to that goal. So daily plan is important. It's not the same thing as a morning routine. The morning routine is just the thing that gets you level-headed to start your day off, but daily planning, the steps out that you're going to do for the rest of the day. So at the start of each day, or you can do this on a weekend, I like to plan my days out on a particular day, which is on Sunday. And so for each day, I know what I'm going to do throughout the day, and it also helps me to not forget. If I do have something new that's going to come up, I can just also include it in my schedule. But for you, if you just want to start out, just start out doing 3 tasks that you want to do every single day. It doesn't have to be something so monumental. It could be something so simple as going for a walk, or going to the gym, or going to meet up with friends, or going to prepare your meals. Just doing these things and making sure that you are keeping track of this and you are holding yourself accountable can allow you to create some consistency, and that will lead you towards success. Just remember that planning is not about perfection. This is about you having the foundation of being a consistent person. So if you're going to skip a day, and if you make a mistake, Don't be too hard on yourself, but at the same time, hold yourself accountable and realize that if I want to achieve this goal for myself, I have to take myself seriously, but don't beat yourself up about that. So the third step is to declutter your space. Having a clean space creates a clean mind. By having this, it creates a peaceful, a positive ambiance or a positive aura or energy field in your home. So this will allow you to be having a more productive mindset, because there is a, believe it or not, there is a connection between your environment and your mind. So to really reset this fall, you really have to declutter a lot of things. So start out by decluttering the things that's in your house. And I would suggest that keep the things that bring you pleasure, or keep the things that bring you a sense of joy. So this will allow you to remove the things that no longer serves you. So as you clear physical clutter, you will notice there will be a shift in your mindset. So it is a lot easier to think clearly and to be focused when you don't have so many distractions going on around you. You having all this energy from different places. If you've been, you're bringing all these different types of energies into your home that could affect you, or you're the type of person whereas seeing a whole bunch of mess can be bothersome to you. So go ahead and just remove the clutter, because it can allow you to think more clearly and allow you to be more focused. This boosts your mentality. It gives you a sense of peace. It gives you a sense of just creativity. It gives you a sense of productivity. So make sure that you clear your space. And also, I don't know if you're the type of person, if you like to clean out your closet, remove different type of clothes, or clean out your vents, things like that during this time of year is perfect to do. And I'm not sponsored by it at all, but this is just like a service that I've done, is that I hired someone on Thumbtack where I just set aside the things that I don't want and just allow them to just remove the things from me, or just to organize it for me if you don't have the time to do so. But it is very important to just remove old things that no longer serve you in your home. So that takes us to the last step, which is to let go of the past and focus on what's next. Since we're in fall, it's very important to let go of the things that hold us back, things that don't bring us joy, things such as past mistake, failed goals, missed opportunities. Let that energy, let those resentments go, because carrying that into the season will slow you down and hold you back. Let go of physical items that no longer serve you can give you a sense of release, but also letting go of the emotional baggage that you're carrying from throughout this year will give you a very new sense of calmness, a very new light energy or light aura, because carrying on all that energy will definitely hold you back. So whatever is weighing you down, it's now time to make a conscious decision to release it. Whether it's fear of failure, negative self-talk, bad relationships, toxic friends, a bad job, let that go, because this creates the energy and the space for something new, such as new opportunities, new people in your life, new success, new partner, all of that. It's possible. You have to let those things go. So use this season to focus on what's ahead, or also try to get ahead. So the 12-week year teaches you how to stay focused and concentrate on what you can accomplish now, not what you didn't do in the past. Letting go allows you to embrace what's new and make meaningful progress towards the year that's ahead. So let's recap. The 4 steps is: 1, commit to a morning routine because it sets the tone for the day. The second step is to plan your weekly and daily activities. The third one is to declutter your space and declutter your mind. And the last step is to let go of the past and focus on what's ahead. So fall is a perfect time to reset your objectives, to reset your goals. By following these steps, you can finish your year off very, very strong. So remember that change doesn't happen overnight. Don't be too hard on yourself if you haven't achieved every single goal that you had. Just make sure that you build the foundation right. When you have a strong foundation, that will definitely guarantee success. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I did enjoy creating it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace.